Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on data interpretation situation reaction test. This is important for all competitive examinations. Now come to the question. Question number 1. You are living in the college hostel. The dal served to you in the mess has a lot of stones. What would you do? A. Leave eating the dal altogether. B. Bring the matter to the notice of mess in charge. C. Speak to the cook about changing the dal. D. Buy your own dal and cook it in your room. The correct option is B. Bring the matter to the notice of mess in charge. 2. While traveling in a train, you notice a man from the coach behind yours fall off the train. You would, the correct option is A. Pull the alarm chain so that the train may stop and the man may be helped. Question number 3. No risk, no gain. You A. Feel that risk means no gain. B. Believe that this slogan is correct. C. Feel it is foolish to accept unnecessary risk. D. Feel that risk may be taken only after judging the situation thoroughly. So correct option is D here. 4. Your friends like smoking and influence you to do the same. You will A. Smoke only because your friends are smoking. B. Refuse to smoke. C. Smoke but only in their presence. Or D. Refuse and lie to them that you have asthma. The correct option is B. Refuse to smoke. 5. You have a new boss. You A. Will be different. B. Welcome him warmly. C. Go and flatter him as will help out in future. D. Have problems adjusting as you are still loyal to your old boss. The correct option is B. Welcome him warmly. 6. You are getting late for a college and bus is not available. In such a situation, A. You start walking. B. You drop the idea of going to college that day and return home. C. You think about other possible conveyance. D. You wait patiently for the bus, though you are late for the class. So correct option is C. You think about other possible conveyance. 7. If you are HR manager of XYZ company and there is only one vacancy, there are three candidates to the post. One out of them is your nephew. You would A. Select your nephew though he is not eligible for the post. B. Select the candidate who is eligible for the post. C. Consult with senior what needs to be done. D. Tell the candidate that vacancy is already fulfilled. Correct option is B. Select the candidate who is eligible for the post. 8. After having committed to your family that you would be taking out them on a vacation, you suddenly find yourself wanted in a board meeting which unfortunately clashes with the vacation. What would you do? The correct option is B. Find out what the urgent meeting is all about and make necessary arrangements and postpone your vacation. 9. Your college has organized a blood donation camp. You A. Persuade your friends to donate. B. Donate your blood at the camp. C. Do not believe in donating blood and decide not to attend. D. Yourself do not believe in donating but ask others to do so. The correct option is B. Donate your blood at the camp. 10. Your maid has invited you to her daughter's wedding. You would A. Completely ignore her. B. Attend the wedding. C. Buy a gift for her daughter. D. Congratulate her and make up some for not being able to attend. So correct option is C. Buy a gift for her daughter. 11. When you see a blind man trying to cross the road, you A. Ask someone to help him. B. Go and help him. C. Wait till he crosses the road. Or D. Ignore and move in. The correct option is B. Go and help him. 12. If you are a manager and one of your employees is not working properly, as a manager, you would A. Fine him. B. Give the man 2 weeks to improve. C. Try to develop the man's abilities and interest in another job. D. Talk to him and try to find out his problem. A correct option is D. Talk to him and find out his problem. 13. You are suffering from diabetes. When you see a whole lot of chocolates, you are tempted to eat them. But you also realize that they are not good for you in the long run. What would you do? A correct option is A. You would not eat them because you know the harmful effects of eating. 14. You have four options of job. You would A. Choose the higher salary. B. Choose the job where you can utilize your skills. C. Choose the one which gives you chance to go abroad. D. Choose the one which has surety that it cannot be snatched from you. The correct option is B. Choose the job where you can utilize your skills. 15. Your boss has given you some urgent assignment at the end hour. What would you do? A. Try to finish the job as per its requirement. B. Tell him that you would do it next day. C. Request one of your colleagues to help you. Or D. None. The correct option is A. Try to finish the job as per its requirements. 16. You are a social worker. On visiting an orphanage, there is one child who is not ready to let you go away. The correct option is D. You talk to the authorities and arrange for parents who can adopt him. 17. After your graduation, you are offered a well paid government job. However, your friend says that you have to bribe to get the appointment order. You A. Go to some influential politician who can help. B. Accept the job by paying the bribe and consoling yourself that this is the present social setup. C. Accept the job by paying the bribe but firmly resolve that this is the last time you will pay bribe. D. Flatly refuse the offer. The correct option is D. Flatly refuse the offer. 18. You A. Get upset when others don't behave properly. B. Are at least interested about what others are thinking about you. C. Can keep your face smiling when you are terribly disgusted. D. Feel that you should not conceal your attitude from others. Correct option is C. Can keep your face smiling even when you are terribly disgusted. 19. If you find yourself in a situation where you are required to make a PowerPoint presentation and you are already bogged down by work, too much work, as the manager, what would you do? The correct option is D. Prioritize your work and try to squeeze out time for it. 20. You are alone in the house and your sister-in-law is suddenly experiencing labor pains. You, correct option is D. Call an ambulance for the emergency. 21. When you get angry, you usually, correct option is C, leave the situation and engage yourself in a different activity. 22. While traveling in your car, certain persons stop you on the way, asking you to take an injured child to the hospital. You would, correct option is D, get out of the car and ask some other person to help the injured one. 23. The statement to be non-violent is good is a, correct option is A, moral judgment. 24. Which one of the following statements is completely nonsensical? Correct option is B. He is a bachelor but he married recently. 25. While going on a scooter, you find someone has been hurt by your vehicle. You would, correct option is C, take him to the doctor and arrange for his medical aid. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of